8 strategies for overcoming obstacles to success. Obstacles to success exist everywhere. Your friends and family can throw up obstacles. Your circumstances or events in your life can get in the way. Your own brain is one of the great barrier creators in existence. So with all this working against you, how do you overcome obstacles to success? In this guide, you will learn 8 strategies that will allow you to overcome any obstacle that tries to get in your way, and allow you to breeze past them as if they weren't even there. 1. Know they are coming. Your first task is to be aware that there are going to be obstacles. You cannot expect something as difficult as being successful to happen easily, so be aware that there will be challenges. 2. Know your motivation. Know why you are trying to develop successful habits. Have an end result in mind and written down, and imagine how your life will change if you are able to develop these habits. 3. Have confidence in your success. Know that you are capable of success, and don't let your mind trick you into thinking that you will never accomplish your goals. Be confident and believe in yourself and in your chances of success. 4. Live in the real world. It's perfectly realistic to think that you will be able to create a multi-million-dollar business, but it takes time. If you plan to do it in a month and you are starting from square one, you will probably fail. Set realistic goals and you won't be creating new obstacles. 5. Trust your instincts. Many times your subconscious mind knows more than your conscious mind. So trust your first instincts, and it will help you overcome obstacles easier. 6. Get a new perspective. When you cannot figure out how to overcome a barrier in your way, sometimes it helps to talk it over with a friend or come up with another way to gain a fresh perspective. 7. Don't try to do everything yourself. When you need help with something, don't be afraid to ask other people for it. No one can do everything themselves, and there is nothing wrong with getting help. 8. Don't ever give up. No matter how many times you fail, keep going. Start again where you left off if you fail. A barrier is only permanent if you don't go again after it stops you.